In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer all your emails and contacts from one Gmail account to another. If you found yourself in the situation where you need to move all your information from one Gmail to a new account, you're in the right place. Whether you're upgrading your email or just need to consolidate your accounts, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First off, you'll want to sign into the Gmail account from which you want to transfer your emails and contacts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the gear icon, which is located in the top right corner. This icon will open your settings menu. Click on this icon, then select See All Settings, which you'll find towards the top of the drop-down menu. After the settings page loads, look for and click on the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. Here, make sure that the POP download is enabled, as this is crucial for transferring your emails. With that set up, let's move on to the target Gmail account, the one to where you want all your emails and contacts transferred. Log into this Gmail account. Just like we did earlier, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and again select See All Settings. Now, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Inside this tab, you'll find an option labeled Import Mail and Contacts. Click it to begin the transfer process. A new window will pop up asking you to sign into the source Gmail account, meaning the one from where you want to pull all the information. Follow the prompts to grant permission for your new Gmail account to access and import the data. This step essentially links your two Gmail accounts for the transfer. Once linked, you'll have a choice between importing your mail, contacts, or both. You can select both options if you wish to transfer everything. Gmail might ask you if you want to apply labels to the emails coming from your old account. This is a handy feature to help you keep track of where your emails originated. Feel free to enable this feature for better organization. After making your selections, hit Confirm to start the import. Now, it's important to note that this process may take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the amount of data being transferred. During this time, it's perfectly normal to leave this process running in the background as you carry on with your day. And there you have it. You've successfully started the process of transferring all your emails and contacts to your new Gmail account. Remember, you don't have to stick around while the import completes. Once it's finished, all your emails and contacts will show up in your new account, ready for you to use as you need. Happy organizing!